Alrighty guys, welcome back to this week where I'm still sick and it is snowing more. It is now it's Monday, so this marks a week since I did the oil change and put more coolant in, so we're gonna see where those levels are. Along with doing a cold startup with still the old exhaust on the 944. That's happening Wednesday. That's getting done. So let's go ahead and pop the hood right down here and check everything cold. Alrighty, I just realized I forgot a paper towel for the dipstick, but coolant is definitely good. It should be at minimum when it's cold and it's like 20 degrees out and it's up here. Now it is on a hill, but it's good. It's still good. And you can also see right down in there that bolt right there that I'm pointing to. That's the one we had to kind of rig and make it work. But it seems to be holding up pretty good. The hose appears to be staying on there pretty good. I can't really touch it or reach it because of the headlight thing, but yeah, that's on there. I'm gonna go grab a paper towel for a second, check the oil. I will be right back. All right, the paper towel has been acquired. It's already getting snow on it. I love snow. Honestly, if it's cold and it isn't snowing, I'm not a happy person. But when it's cold and it's snowing, I like it being cold. I'm perfectly fine with that. So let me set up this camera right about here. And I will go ahead and pull the dipstick out and clear it off. And then reinsert it. And pull it out again. And we are Gucci. We are beyond Gucci. That's great. Okay, so awesome. I don't need to change, I don't need to add a quart of oil every week. I know that. Let's see if it's maybe every 2 weeks. So I'll check on this next video. Beginning of next video is when I'm going to check on this again. That way I can see if I do need fluid. If I do, I'm going to fill up. But it is burning oil. Like I said, I do need new piston rings. Planning on doing an entire engine rebuild kit instead of just piston rings because it's going to need it. Now that is $1,000, so I got to kind of wait until I can afford that before I can do it, which hopefully will be sometime this year. It should be soon though. Anyway guys, I will catch you later on. Just wanted to do this with you guys. So also, something that really bothers me when people shut hoses is they just drop them. I like shutting them like this and then clicking it down. I hate it when people just go dunk. It's annoying. I don't know why. It's just always kind of bugged me because it's just like slamming a car door, honestly. But I like push it down and latch it, not throw it. So yeah, now I just got a bunch of snow on my face. With that, I'll see you guys later. Guys, welcome back to a super cold day again. It's like, well, it's not super cold. It's 20 degrees. It's still pretty chilly though. So I'm going to give you guys a cold start up on the 944, which I forgot to do yesterday. This is the day before getting my exhaust done. So this is still my old exhaust. And I'll probably give you guys a little driving video sometime today as well. But for now, let's hear this cold start up. Hopefully this exhaust makes a huge difference. Hopefully. Anyway, I'll see you guys probably later on today. Last drive of the 944 with the old exhaust, with the stock exhaust, other than the CAD delete because it kind of rusted off. But yeah, last drive. All right, guys, try to give you as much sound as possible there. That's it for the old exhaust. I will see this car tomorrow. High beams off. I will see this car tomorrow after I'm done work with the new exhaust, and I'll record then. So I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, so unfortunately I forgot my GoPro. Well, I didn't forget my GoPro. I didn't think to bring it because I didn't think he'd have my exhaust on that fast. But after work, I went to pick up my car. My parents took me, got it all paid for and good. And I will show you guys the exhaust. I never thought stainless steel could look this good. It looks amazing. You can see the Magnaflow muffler, and there's also a cat up there. But yeah, it sounds fantastic, let me tell you. So I'm gonna do, it's not really a cold startup. I mean, it's cold outside, but it was run about an hour and a half ago, so it's gonna be a startup. So I'll let you guys hear that real quick. It sounds pretty good. It's, I mean, I haven't heard it from outside yet. It's like a nice rumble, nice little purr. I like that a lot. My music's playing in my car. Let me pause that. Oh, never mind, I'm gonna unlock my phone because I accidentally swiped up. There we go, I paused that real quick for copyright. But yeah, it's like a nice little purr. Now it is semi-warm, so I'll give it a little bit of a rev. Not a lot, because it is still kind of cold, but does sound pretty good. Now, I'm gonna head over to Evans right now and hang out with him for a little bit, but after that, I'm gonna go on a drive to go meet Blossom to hang out with her after she gets done with work. So I will take you guys on that drive. It's gonna be POV, obviously, because I like them POV drives. But I'll let you guys hear that. I'll roll the windows down, everything. Hopefully it's not dark when that happens. I don't think it will be. It might be like pretty dusk, but I don't know. I will see you guys then, though. Yeah, sounds pretty awesome in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. I will see you guys next video. Go ahead and leave a like if you like the video. This is more of a, definitely more content in a video than there has been in a while. That dude just went off the road. But anyway, go ahead and share so I can get out to more people. Like the video if you liked it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe. Peace.